Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are again on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you today a 3-bed ground floor apartment on Naranjos 2, maybe one of the most sought after gardens on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And we are live today from the apartment N91, which is a great south-facing 3-bed ground floor apartment. And I'm just showing you the view nearly from the apartment, because when I'm turning around, I'm already here at the entrance to our apartment, which we are viewing today, which is N91 on Naranjos 2. As we said, it's one of the most sought-after gardens on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. So we are showcasing today a really beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the ground floor with its own terrace and garden, as we can see. Well, you've just seen the proximity to the pool. I just show it to you again. So just walking out of here, you are already nearly in the pool. It's a very nice and private setting here, so the location is really great. And as you can see today, it's again a beautiful day here on Condado. We have about 24 degrees at the very moment. We had 26 today lunchtime-ish. And now we are here again on a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Naranjos 2 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. This virtual open house is again presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I'm showing you today this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which has reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Well, and we are already entering the apartment, which is sold as seen. So all what we see today in our, no, not Rupert is not included, but all what we see today in our virtual open house comes included in the asking price. As we said, it's reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. As you can see, the living room is quite spacious and is connected directly to the kitchen. As we see here, the kitchen is equipped with, well, oven, cooker, hob, extractor fan, dishwasher. We have a fridge freezer here. And as you can see, it's also forbidden to smoke in here. So we won't do this today. Well, anyway, but having said that, back to the living room. There are 2 beautiful mirrors in here. You do see as well a wall heater, which is quite cozy in winter. But as we said, this property is fully equipped with everything you can imagine. So in this case as well, we do have also air conditioning in all rooms, means in the living room and in all 3 bedrooms. Okay, so kitchen adjacent to that. We are walking now through the hallway and come already to the master bedroom. As we said, the property is fully fitted, fully kitted and sold as seen at the asking price of only 79,900. I think it's really properly priced following the values. Also, Naranjos 2, as I said before, is maybe one of the most sought after gardens on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort due to its ideal location between the Alcazar Commercial Center, where you find, as you know, shops, restaurants, a spa supermarket, furniture shops, even an estate agent. And on the other side, we are close to the golf course, which is a Jack Nicklaus signature course and which is due to open again next year, February or March. I'm now just strolling through the property and I'm the back now on the back terrace, and as you see as well here, it's pretty sunny. The apartment has a south orientation, so we do get quite a fair bit of sun as well in the afternoon, evening, either on the front or the back terrace. So there we go. We have here the air conditioning units. As we said, we have 4 air conditioning units for each room, as well as the washing machine, which is properly hidden, also to protect it underneath this wonderful plastic thing here. There we go. So this would be the washing machine then. And, well, you see here the gardens and you see the parking area for Naranjos 2. As you can see, we're already in low season, so there is a lot of car park now available, as it is all year round. But now we really see the difference between the summer season and the winter season. So this is now as it looks like until maybe next year, May, June, then the season will pick up again. Okay, so we see here as well today our celebrant, because it's Anna's birthday today. We won't mention the years, but she's even working today on her birthday, so thank you very much for the effort today. But I know that you're off then tomorrow, so it's not that bad. shopping with mummy. So that's nice. Okay, walking through the master bedroom, we are coming to the second bedroom now. As we said, the property is fully equipped, fully furnished, and is reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. As you can see, it's also fully furnished. I have opened here one of the cupboards. All bedrooms do have fitted wardrobes, and in here we also have a chest of drawers, which is quite useful, as there are also sometimes things which rather need a drawer than just to be hanged. There we go, and we come now to the bathroom, equipped with bathtub and all other necessary items for a bathroom. Don't think that this needs a special mentioning here. There we go. This would be the bathroom, and we continue already to the black cat, which is just walking out there, to the third bedroom. Here we go, as well equipped with 2 single beds, as well with a chest of drawers, and obviously air conditioning. No, there's no air conditioning. Sorry, only 3 air conditionings, no air conditioning in the third bedroom. But anyway, this unit serves as well for the third bedroom, so that's okay. So I have to correct myself, it's only 3 air conditioning units and not 4. And here we have, as we see, a sliding door leading again out to the terrace. Under the staircase here, which leads up to the top apartments, we do have another storage unit, which is quite useful for outside furniture, for cushions, beach gear, golf gear, even a bicycle fits in there, so I think that's quite useful. As well, the property has an awning which covers here the entire terrace, as you can see. As we are south-facing, we do quite a bit of a fair share of sun, as people say. So this really helps. The awning really helps also to keep the heat out of the apartment. And at the same time, as we are pretty close here as well to the pool, there's always enough sun, so that's not a problem. Just let me show you again this beautiful view onto the pool. This looks like holiday, doesn't it? I think it's really great here. We are on Naranjos 2 at the moment. We are on apartment N91, and I've just a cat here having really fun with me. You enjoy life, no? There you go, happy days. So, well, coming back to this apartment, it's reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And you find there this property and many more properties on Condado de Alhama and on other golf resorts. The asking price is only $79,900, and as I said, I think it's a pretty fair value for this property, as it's fully equipped and in a fantastic location as Naranjos 2, south-facing 3-bed. It can hardly get better on site. This would be the garden bit. As we can see, there is a bit of grass and a bit of tiles. So the grass is obviously cut by the community gardeners as well as the hedges, and the community fees for this property is only €112 per month, including a 100 megabit up and download line of internet, all services provided by the community like security, pool cleaning, gardening, street cleaning, you name it, we have it, as well as over 250 national and international TV channels. So just bring your TV, because that's not included, and you will enjoy all channels you're used from back home without any surcharge, and I think that's also quite an asset taken into account within the community fees. So only an internet line of this quality, 100 megabit up and download, would be around €35 per month, plus the TV package would be another 25. So we are talking about nearly €60 we are getting from real value out of the community fees we pay, apart from all the services provided by the community. So I think it's a pretty fair deal on site, and the administration and all the people working here are really doing a fantastic job to keep the resort up and running. Coming back to the living room, there are two wonderful mirrors placed, so I can't avoid to show you myself, which is not the aim of this video, but it's what it is. We are back into the living room of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price, as we said, is only €79,900, and we would really looking forward to your visit, coming over, have a glance on this place, and maybe you decide to go for it. We are in the master bedroom at the moment. The property is sold as seen, with 3 air conditioning units, with all white goods, with washing machine, dishwasher. Hi Paul, hope you're okay. Regards from Spain. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. In case you have any question or doubt, just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen and me and my team will be ever so happy to answer your question or maybe show you something which you have missed and want to see again. Coming to the outback terrace again, which is also pretty sunny at the moment. So I'm coming from a sunny terrace going to a sunny terrace. That's nice. Where we see the air conditioning units, we see the washing machine over here. And as you can see, the car park is quite empty at the moment. So, as we said, we're already off-season. Today it's about 24 degrees. We have a very low humidity, so it's really pleasant at the moment to be here in Spain. And lucky as we live in holiday, it's really a fantastic place. I've just shown you the back terrace now, and now we are coming to the second bedroom. Here we go. This is now the second bedroom. The property is fully fitted and kitted and furnished as we see, and is also sold in the condition our video is showing today. All bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, and I'll show you just one over here. Oops, let's go a little bit back here. There we go. So these are the fitted wardrobes. Each bedroom has its own fitted wardrobe, and 2 out of the 3 also have air conditioning. The bathroom, as we said, is a standard basic bathroom with bathtub, and all other installations necessary, not to be mentioned individually. And we're coming already back to the living area, to the third bedroom. Here we go. So this is not getting ridiculous. It is 4 air conditionings and not 3 because it's opposite. Normally the air conditioning should be up here somewhere. Okay, it's fitted here, so I have to correct myself again. Oh, this is nice today. It is obviously 4 air conditioning units for the 3 bedrooms and the living room. Happy days. Okay, so as well equipped with 2 single beds, direct view again out on the terrace, and behind the hedge, you know already, there's the pool. So just making a turn around, showing you again the air conditioning unit, the fitted wardrobes. So this would be the third bedroom. The property is sold as seen, equipped with all necessary items to make a decent living in here. And as well, what not all of the properties have, we have here an additional blind, which is quite useful because it also provides maybe more shade and gives a different feel maybe as well to the property. This is not standard and is one of the many investments the sellers did. So for example, here we see the understair cupboard, as well as the new garden gate, which has just been fitted recently. So this is now a new gate, providing, well, changing from the wooden one to, in this case, aluminium, which is quite handy because it will stay there nearly forever. Here we have the black cat again. Hello, cat. And obviously the views on the pool. Here we go. I think this is really something which needs to be taken into account because the location here, and it's all about location in real estate now, the location is just great here. Being a holiday home can also be a holiday home to be rented out whilst you're not here. For sure, Naranjos 2 is one of the most attractive rentals here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, as we said, due to the proximity to the Alcazar and the golf course. So, the cat has fun. That's a cat paradise. No, so Anna, welcome.
Yes.
You are the birthday girl today, as I can
indeed.
see here. There we go. That's the birthday girl. So we will not mention, obviously. No, we don't do that.
We already had that last year.
Yes, we did it last year.
We
Okay.
don't need to mention it again. So,
Okay, so it's just last year plus one.
I don't know if you've mentioned, but this is without a doubt the best garden on the entire resort. I don't know if you've said it before, and I'm not biased at all.
No, because you're just living over there, no?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not biased at all. This is without a doubt the best garden.
No doubt.
This is the closest pool to the town centre, because
True.
Garden 1, Naranjos Garden 1 does not have a pool, neither does Garden 3. So they all like to come here, hence in summer. Yeah, very, very busy, great for socializing. We also have a lot of cats on this garden.
Yes.
You have seen.
Yes.
And I don't know if you know, but the reason why there are some small white marks on the floor on the terrace, if you want to follow me.
Okay, I'll following you.
This
is
is a little bit unsexy, but
it's a little bit unsexy,
the
okay?
reason we have this looking the way it is right now, because it wasn't like this yesterday when I came
Yes.
to prepare the property, is because all of the apartments on Condado, as you know, were painted. They finished some time before the summer. However, some of the paintwork wasn't finished quite to the standard that owners expected, and hence the painters are now going around touching up all of the bits that were
Okay.
not so nicely done.
I
And they
see.
have precisely been here this week,
I see.
and it looks like they finished here today. So that's why
Okay.
this is another part of the ongoing maintenance program of the owners community.
Great. Great. Do you think that somebody had listened as long as I'm with the cat?
Probably not, but I had to say it because
Yeah,
I'm the
for
listing
sure.
agent.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes,
No,
yes.
I'm just mentioning that
She
that,
agrees.
that,
She's
that
really
we're
loving
rather
it.
focused on the
Oh
cat.
yes,
No,
oh yes. No, she's loving
no,
it.
Paul. This was not scripted, as always.
Never.
My virtual tours are never scripted. That's what some people hear. No, this is just a black cat here, and I think normally
Well-
in marketing it's either kids or animals. No,
Happens to be
so in this
happens
case
to be
it's
the local
animals.
listing
So.
cat also.
There we go. Well done. We have seen the cat now. We've got some nice explanations of how things work here on site.
I won't block your pool views any longer.
And, well, what else can I say? Thank you very much for watching and listening to our show today again. It was a pleasure to have you here to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. This property is to be found under the reference 3596 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price is only 79,900. So I'm looking forward now to many inquiries and many viewings. I wish you a beautiful evening and hope to see you next week again, same time, same station here on Condado de Alhama on Quality Homes Costa Calida's Facebook, every Thursday virtual open houses. Yes, Paul, the weather is beautiful. We had all day long blue sky. As you can see, it's amazing. We didn't script the weather neither, so it's what it is. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you soon here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Enjoy your day. Cheers. Bye.